Hey everyone! We are back on site today for a highly requested update. We're looking down at the future home of Faber Residence. If you've been following the Clementi Faber area, you know how much anticipation there is for this project. As of March 2026, the site is looking busy, and the landscape is starting to transform. Let's dive into exactly what's happening on the ground right now. Looking at the current state of the site, we are officially in the foundation and piling phase. You can see multiple piling rigs, the tall, vertical machines working across the plot. This is one of the most critical stages, where they are reinforcing the ground to support the upcoming residential blocks. We also have a few mobile cranes and excavators clearing the earth. The site footprint is quite clear now, nestled right against that established landed housing and the lush greenery we love about the Faber estate. It's still early days, but seeing this much equipment on site usually means they are pushing hard to stay on schedule. For those considering Faber Residence, remember that the draw here is the low-density vibe while still being incredibly close to the Clementi MRT hub and the OIE. Watching the piling progress is key for buyers. It's the silent work that takes time, before we finally see the floors starting to rise above the hoarding. I'll be keeping a close eye on when the first few levels of the structure start to peek out over these trees. If you find these site updates helpful for your property journey, or just love seeing Singapore's skyline change, I have a small favor to ask. We are currently at 980 subscribers, and our big goal is to hit that 1,000 milestone. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that subscribe button and join our community. Your support keeps me coming down to these sites to get the latest shots for you. Don't forget to like this video and comment below. Are you waiting for Faber Residence, or is there another site you want me to cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.